I've often seen a lot of these riders, they're single, they're solo riding, and ghanto ghanto. What goes through the minds of these riders? Is it meditation, kind of meditation, या फिर सिर्फ adrenaline है ये?
Uh, um, I would say works both ways.
अच्छा,
Adrenaline, yes, when I'm being challenged about something. For example, you have a thing called Iron Butt. Now you have to do 1000 miles in 24 hours. And in Indian conditions, to do 1000 miles in 24 hours is not easy. Some boys have even died trying it. मतलब नींद आ जाती है towards the end. Okay. And it has to be very meticulously planned. So when you're doing something like that, it's an adrenaline flow. But other than that, when I'm saying I'm going out for a ride somewhere, it's not adrenaline flow. It's far more than that. So let me come back to that question which you had put across earlier. See, I would put this ride for the day in three parts. When you start the ride, at that time you are getting into a rhythm with the machine. You're getting to warm your butt, and you're getting out of the city traffic, and you're moving out. So initially, once you are through with that and you are into the ride, so your body's rhythm has yet to come in line with the rhythm of the machine. Till that doesn't happen, you are not in sync with each other. जब तक वो नहीं होता ना, उस समय mind में there are a lot of chaotic thoughts that are coming. Arbitrary thoughts, chaotic thoughts, okay? कि मैंने उससे जो लड़ाई की थी, उसका क्या होगा? Certain worries that come into your mind, ये पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? वो, so you have all kind of chaotic thoughts coming and going, and there's no control over that, and I don't try to control it also. Okay. Essentially, what is happening is, as I see it, is all those thoughts, those worries that were there in your mind, it's like they all, the chassis is stuck in there. Okay, वो release हो रहा है, mind में आ रहा है, जा रहा है, आ रहा है, जा रहा है, and it's all random. Say you've ridden about 2 hours or so, and by this time you've got into a certain rhythm. Then what happens is you start understanding the engine, you get into the rhythm of the bike. Okay, you start hearing the sound of the engine. So you are more in line with the machine and the environment. These thoughts slowly start disappearing.
Hmm.
Once that happens,
Hmm.
not every time, but yes, more often than not, you get into a kind of a trance. And when you're getting into that trance, it's not that you're close shut. Meditation doesn't mean I'm shutting my eyes and doing it, I'm riding, my sixth sense is working, my clutch is working, my brakes are working, my gear is working, everything is happening. But that's all sixth sense because of the years of riding that I've done. So this becomes a part of the deal. Now my mind will start wandering into something specific. It could be work related. कि ये काम था, ये इसका मैं solution कैसे निकालूं. Now, when you start doing that, what happens is a lot of thoughts start bubbling into your mind. Okay. It could be relationship building. It could be you have a strained relationship with your wife or with your children or with somebody. You start working at solutions for that. Now, when you're doing this, one good part is there are no distractions. There are no telephone calls coming. There's no internet there. There is nothing around you to say no to you or give you suggestions or their opinions. It's your mind that is working. And when that is happening, what is actually happening at that time is a lot of thoughts are bubbling in your mind. Okay. And as these thoughts are bubbling in your mind, the solutions also start coming in. You start seeing solutions also. So it is more listening to yourself at that time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And in that process, you also try to figure out, your strengths, your flaws, your weaknesses. Okay. It also, you can go down to thinking, okay, what are the kind of risks in life that I have been taking? Should I be taking a certain kind of risk or not? So you go through a very clear cut thought process without anybody disturbing you. In a way, you are only listening to yourself. And while you do that, you start moderating. Okay, you start finding solutions. You get the solutions. And when you have those solutions in place, what is happening is the ride is actually rewiring me.
Mm.
Okay. So every ride, there is something that happens to me where I get rewired for some particular thing. So it actually helps me improve as a person.